Okay, good morning everybody วันนี้เป็นมือวันจันทร์วันที่7เขาก็มานั่งMSC คือ vacation นะทุกคนเนาะมากินข้าวเด้ออยากจะให้เบิ่งว่าทุกคน
Okay,
Oh my goodness
You gotta go this way.
Yeah
All this stuff is go all the way
Oh
down.
I know this right here to the end
Go all the way down
Yeah
to the end.
all the way Okay
Then you make a left.
I'm going to get it Okay
I got the food. I didn't see the food
ทุกคน
until I had already got this, but
The water so beautiful
oh man, I love it.
Look at
the
this.
food.
I can I don't even care. I can sit here for hours. I don't even care. So beautiful here. Oh my God, it's beautiful. เขาก็เลือกจาก exercise. Feel like a tone muscle right here. A tone, feel tone, you know.
Look, the fish.
Oh, okay. We go down. Okay. ไปเอาอาหาร
Windy out right there. Windy out here. Windy and hot.
Let's go keep walking. Look at all the lake. Look at all the lake. It's slowly. go another stair. Oh, that's a beautiful another one. Look, come and look at this. That's the end of the boat right here.
That's the next level down.
Let's go see what's going on.
They got a little pool.
I know,
I think that's the.
but we got to go to the very top of the where the water slide. Maybe the kid at water slide right now. Oh my God, this is so beautiful right here. Tell you. Oh man, look at this beautiful white Sean. Take a picture right here. Oh, what they have restaurant in here too? Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What is it over there? Look. No, I'm gonna say restaurant. Or you.
This is the dining at the end.
Oh, the end. But
That's what I was saying about
we never sitting here. Oh my God. This is,
Yesterday I said you want to sit outside.
oh, I'm gonna sit outside, but I didn't know this one right here. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. So beautiful. Look at this, guys. เพิ่งเห็นมันในนางงามบนน้ำนี่นะ Oh my God, this is what they call light emerald, light emerald color. อันนี้เป็นแบบมรกตสีอ่อนๆทุกคนมรกตอันนี้เพื่อไปทางนี้โอเค อันนี้เพื่อไปทางนี้กลมข้างในจะเป็นคนกินข้าวเป็นว่า all you can eat sitting there enjoy view so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at how beautiful is that. เพื่อนกันนั่งกินข้าวเนาะเสิร์ฟเข้ากับมา enjoy life beautiful whatever you can beat this deal man it's heaven it's heavenไปออกไปเลยใช่ป่ะความสุขของคนคนนั้นความสุข Have the way to get up no all the way to that side ทุกคนเนาะ don't have it oh look at this that's another stair เนี่ยตลาดเนี่ยขั้นใดเด้อall the way up. So, get up. Play on the slide water. Oh, that's why I said I want to go up there. Can we go up there now? Yeah, do it. In the hallway นะเขาสียางไปอ้อมเพื่อไปเถิงอันนี้บนคือว่าผมผู้ใหญ่นอนนี่บ่มีเด็กหน่อยเด้อเอาดิเด้ออากาศอยู่ keep moving yes heaven พี่น้องเอ้ยความสุขเนาะที่ว่าอยู่ในสกูชี่ที่ว่าshower. Oh my God, look at this. Beautiful. Okay, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Oh my God, wind. Yeah, stay. Now, and then on top, this is what number on this level? Maybe come out here.
Yeah, that probably is.
Believe, they're not gonna be there all the time, you know. Let's go keep walking. Look at the slide. You can go up here. Look. Oh my God, maybe come up here, who knows? Man, look at this. Oh, anywhere. Oh my God. Oh, anywhere. มันก็จะขายหนาอันนี้บาร์ไอศครีม Look at this. Look at that. It's more there. It's a lie. That's okay. We just look. We don't do anything. They want to slide. You know, I believe. You know. มึงดูลองไลน์พี่น้องนะ Okay, the soup's here. What's that? Lobster? What is that? Lobster soup. Okay, guys, we're at the dinner restaurant. Fine dining. Fine dining. That's what they do. My family over there. My family, my son, my grandson, and my daughter. And I'm here. Fine dining. So many people in here. Oh, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Something to do with the
I need the black pepper, but this pepper is not. Okay, this is black pepper right here. Add on right here. We have black pepper. Let me see. My hot tea. Thank you. Yep. Okay. Hot tea. Everything so sexy, huh? Everything very sexy. Yep. Right. For the cat food. Look like cat food.
the can, you know. Now you just take the can.
I have to tell you the high class look like a cat food.
You gotta respect.
They're good. Oh, the
Make sure
bone.
you respect.
Oh my God, the bone, right? Okay, cheers. Care for the bone, okay? Where's the bone? I mean, high class food.
I class my ass.
High class.
That's pineapple salad.
11.
Okay.
Okay, see you guys back.
Okay.
So maybe y'all done like 8:30,
Okay.
right?
11:059. Okay, got it.
Okay.
I'll find
I'll
out.
stop by.
Okay. my god, hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, warm, nice and warm out here. Oh yeah, come on, warm. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Balcony. They have balcony. With my family, my kids. Yeah. See that? It's windy. Nice and really warm. It's very warm. Nice. Look, you come outside sometime. Look at this. So nice and warm, and the water. Oh, it's scared me. Look at this. Where we at right now? We go up to the top. Okay, sit down in the chair. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Just enjoy the view. It's so beautiful. I'm telling you, it's beautiful.